Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing great. Today I came up with a new Bank Nifty options buying strategy. This is not just about the strategy, this is also a demo of a tool. Many of my clients and users came to me and asked a demo of a tool which includes technical indicators, and few people asked buying options based on the index data, all those kind of things. So I thought of coming up with a strategy and a tool which can demonstrate both. This strategy is a paid strategy gave by one of my client who paid around 15,000 I think for this strategy. This strategy is mostly based on Bollinger Bands and RSI. So let's go and see how this strategy works. So generally, let's start with the chart settings. We need to open the CE and PE charts of the at the money strike price of Bank Nifty, which means like if Bank Nifty is trading at 26,300 rupees, then we need to open the 26,300 CE and 26,300 PE, and you need to select a 5 minute time frame chart, and you need to apply Bollinger Band to the chart with the default values and RSI with 14, and if possible mark high level of RSI 60. And the strategy is you need to enter into a trade or place a buy order when 5 minutes candle closes above upper Bollinger Band and RSI is above 60, and you need to exit the trade when the candle closes below the Bollinger Band upper range. Okay, and coming to the success rate of this strategy, this strategy worked pretty much good in a trending market, where which is like either market should be going up or going down. It will miserably fail in a sideways market, so be cautious whenever you're trading with this strategy. Okay, let's quickly open chart and check the same strategy, apply the same settings to the Bank Nifty and check how to set up this chart, and later we'll show and explain how the tool works. So this is the chart which I already applied all the Bollinger Bands and RSI. Let me quickly remove them so that I can reapply and show them. So first make the candle as a 5 minute chart. Later add Bollinger Band. You can type BB so that you'll get Bollinger Bands. Apply it and leave it at the default values. Later again add RSI, which is relative strength index, and make it 14. By default it might be 14, but if it is not, make it 14, and mark upper value as 60. So yeah, so we marked it in. So if you see this initially this is the mark, this is the chart, this is the Bollinger Band range. So if you consider today's morning open, at the opening itself it broke the RSI 60 as well as Bollinger Band upper range. So it we need to place order at the high of that candle, and it went till next two candles and closed inside the Bollinger Band range. So let's quickly see how much profit if we have made on this one. Basically this is index chart, we don't trade on this one, but just for confirmation or just for checking I'm saying it's 116 rupees. So this is the setup which we are looking at, and this kind of setup we need to observe in CE and PE too. So generally how do I do this is like I'll open this index chart this side, and also parallelly open the CE and PE chart of the respective chart. So if you see this high of this is 24,637. So I am opening CE of 24,600 of the weekly chart. Similarly, I am opening 24,600 PE of weekly chart. So you can parallelly compare them. if you see the C, uh, it the same thing happened, like it broke the upper range of the Bollinger Band, and it made a good move. So let's quickly check how much profit it made. If we have taken this trade, it made around 63 rupees, 66 rupees with the same setup. Okay, now like for every 5 minutes we need to check the value of the index chart and apply the at the money C, CP chart and CE and PE chart in the next two charts, and apply the same setup to it and watch it regularly. So here comes the tool which generally continuously monitor these setups and observe whenever there is a criteria match or a setup match, then it will send us a notification through Telegram, as well as also makes a beep sound. Now bring that let's bring that tool and see how it works and if it gives any signal today. So instead of making you wait and watch the entire video, I'm directly running the tool at the point where I got the signal. I got the signal at 12:20. The index chart is breaking the Bollinger Band in the downside, which means like most probably we will get a signal in the PE. So when we get the signal, the PE directly gets added to the watch list, so you can directly click it and watch the chart. I am applying our strategy setup to the PE chart. The PE which we got selected is 24,600 PE. So if you see this candle broke out the upper bowling brand, and I am fast forwarding this setup and see like when the exit criteria is also met. So guys, basically this is the trading strategy which I explained, and this is the tool which will be helping in giving the signal at what point of criteria met. It also can automatically place the order and exit the orders, but I didn't complete this tool in that level. So this is the tool for now. So it already broke the upper Bollinger Band range and closed inside. So we'll be exiting the target here.